Okay, guys. Alright. What I got here is the Ozark Trail 2-person 4-season backpack tent. Lightweight design, weight 6.9. Lightweight design, and it's 6.9 pound. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to the Noble Archive channel. My name is Justin, but everybody call me Noble. Let's get the fire started. Stick around. I'll show you what I got. Well, I'm gonna set it up right here, and thanks for sticking around and stuff here. I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna pack down some snow, and then I'm gonna get my 2-person Ozark Trail tent set up. I got my lantern right here. I'm only doing it in a small little wooded area behind my mom's garage and that too, because the way I wanted to go, I got stuck the other day and I couldn't get out there. So what they're gonna do, we got more snow coming in. We're supposed to get about 5 to 6 inches. We're in the winter storm visor, whatever, but I'll check it up with my phone later when we get set up and when we're inside the tent and out there, and I will tell you exactly what the temperature after I get the tent set up. And I might have just a little small fire going there just to say we're out camping. So I'm gonna stomp around. Okay, I know you're probably going to see me because I'm all in dark clothes, but sorry about that. Alright, I'm going to go get my tent. Okay. Full wide superior water protection, 2 visible, ventable, and a separate entry for gear storage, good for backpacking. Sleek 2, 7.8, 7 feet 8 inches in length and 4 foot and 8 inches in width. Center height is 3 feet and 8 inches. So, yeah, I got this here at Walmart last beginning of summer or something like that. But I'll show you. Yeah. So I did take out the stake that came with it and switch it to the aluminum. So it's starting to snow. I don't know if you guys can see it. Sorry guys, but I had to change battery. The battery died. But there you go, guys. The Ozark Trail 2 version 10. Didn't realize my battery died. But yeah. Trying to put it up in the dark, taking twice as longer. I got this corner here. I'm not going to do about the thing here. I'm just going to give it a shout out. Try it out. Sorry. But that's one entry right here. You got that there to zip in. And we got this one here to zip in. And I believe that's this side I'm going to be doing. Yeah. So that's the side I'm going to go in. I want to keep, at least have an air ventilation so I don't build up carbon monoxide in there. But I'm going to get the stuff set up and we'll see how the stuff turned out. So stick around. Alright, I'm back. What's the first thing I'm going to show you? It's the MSR pocket stove. I got that one for Christmas. It was cool. About time somebody got me Christmas stuff. I mean camping gear for Christmas. I got that there. And another thing too is I got the Stanley Adventure bowl set, pro set there. I'll put the description down below of that there, and same thing with the MSR. They come with 2 green bowl, a scooper, a spatula, 2 plate, but a lid that go to it. So we're gonna be cooking dinner on that. And what we're gonna have for dinner, I have a mixed vegetable with chicken and some noodle and some udon, Japanese style noodle. And of course, I'll have coffee with that too. See, I got my coffee. So I'm actually comfy in here. I mean, you have to have a light going on. I got this lantern going here. And that, I got my sleeping bag. I will be putting my bed liner. I mean, sleeping bag liner. It's the Ozark Trail liner. So just to give a little extra thing. I do have my bale underquilt underneath it on the floor too. So that give it a little extra padding and a little warmth. And I do have my my G-Rest sleeping pad, thermal rest sleeping pad. So, alrighty, let's see if I can get my camera to set up. I'm gonna see if I can use my heating pad. Here we go. Ah, hey guys. Alright. Yeah, the MSR I came with this here pocket stove. And got the lid. This is the Stanley Pro set. They come with the lid for the 2 bowl, but you can actually use these for a plate if you need to, but I think it's real cool with these things here. You got the scooper and stuff here, and of course, but the only thing that doesn't get me is this here. See, the wind starting to pick up, but that's cool. I don't have a frying pan, but that'd be nice if they have Stanley, the Stanley Venture Kit or something, that they have just a frying pan and stuff like that there, because that would be cool. But here's another thing too. You shut up. Sorry guys, I'm just so excited. But that's kind of cool. I got a double-sided weapon. Don't mess with the cook. But then you got two bowl. And another thing too, before I get going, that I actually want to do a shout out to a another woodsman, England Woodman, if I'm getting it right. I'll put the link down in the description below. He's doing a 6,000 giveaway or something like that there, but give him, he's over in the UK, if I'm right. And so I want to do that there. I was supposed to do that after Christmas, but I had some issue getting out there, got stuck, and so I couldn't get anywhere. So, and of course, we all know there's the Stanley Adventure kit with the green cup. I have my other one at home. So, alright, what's this here? Put some of this stuff inside. I'm really actually liking it. I'm not really too thrilled about the weight to carry with me, but I'm actually thrilled. But the only thing I'm not gonna like about this MSR this pocket stove here is it doesn't really have a way to ignite it. Put your hand on it that we're trying to warm this up. It's a little cold. I'm going to put some water in there. Making sure, yeah. I know with these here, with the cold, it doesn't really want to heat up. But, I'm going to put the lid on. Yeah. I know you're not really supposed to do this here, but I'm hungry and I want food. See. Put your hand on here. Yeah, just see, I had these little things 3D printed. But now I'm just having a little bit of issue. I'm going to try to see. Where'd that blow? I'm hungry and I can't even get this to go. Oh, I'm gonna try this here. I'm gonna put it inside. I'm gonna try to warm it up. Yeah, I got my thermometer outside, so I'm going to see what the temperature. deep pocket. Yeah, my phone don't even work because it's so damn cold out here. iPhone, you need to fix that. I'm seriously. It could be 30 degrees outside and your iPhone don't work. It was a full charge. It's up here and it's telling me that I need a battery to charge my battery. iPhone, you have a good phone where I can actually hear out of it, but for the work outside, what's it? It's junk. Nope. I'm gonna put it in my pocket. Maybe I can warm that up. I'm actually warm. I'm not too bad. I mean, yeah, they may. You see that there, but yeah. Let me get this warm up and that there and get it all cooked and whatever and stuff here. I'll get back to you because I don't want my waste my battery because I only got one pack. So I'll talk to you later. Okay, I got it. That's what I did. I warm up just warm it up in my coat and that. So yeah, that's all you have to do. If you guys have any problem like that there, just warm it up in your coat or your sleeping bag to keep it warm. I got my water ready for it. So what I did, I put, I don't know if you see that I have my direct chitin pad and stuff here to on there to try to keep it warm. I'm actually not too bad in here. So my hand's a little cold, but I'll be alright. But yeah, I 3D printed these here. A guy made them off Thingiverse. I'll put the link in the description and stuff here. So I thought that would work, but it'd probably be better in the spring, summertime. But that's what I did. I can't afford to get the one they have online or stuff. I can't really afford anything. I mean, I got this here a while back, and all the stuff you see I have, I got a while back. I mean, kind of sucked now that I gotta still try to fix my hammock. So, but I got this from my mother because she gave me a bunch of stuff, weird food kind of stuff she got. So, I don't know what this is, probably the seasoning and stuff, but I got this here. It's just noodles. I'm gonna put the noodle in there. Yeah, it could probably take a little longer because it's cold, but that's kind of nice. Thanks, Mom. Yeah, so I can, oh, I know. Alright, where's my wrist bag? Cover that up so I can get my got my wooden spoon. I haven't quite figured out. I got everything out what I decided that I wanted to break down to take with me or whatever. But for cookware stuff, I haven't quite got what I thought. And I like my Stanley Venture Cup. I like that there. I'm probably gonna stick with. I'm gonna do some run on this here, and also I'm actually doing this to join the Green Bowl Cup Club. Let's see what this. I'm gonna smell it. And this right here is going to be the last video of 2017. Ooh, smell good. I'm gonna put it in here. Now the wind starts to pick up. For you guys, for the new subscribers to me, if you're not well aware, and that's I did make this spoon, but I do not have a video or anything. It was just something just to try out, and I'm happy with it. So I thought maybe down the road or whatever, I'll make another one. Maybe I do at springtime. I did have a cup. I didn't bring that with me. I'll tell you one thing I did bring. Nope, I didn't. Yes, I did. Okay. Trying to get it. Where did it go? Nope, that's not it. I thought I put it in here. I'm trying to find it. Ah, here they are. Get the little extra pair of socks. I've been trying to find those things that people had. I've seen them. They're kind of like the little slippers or whatever you want to call it. So if I'm not cold, just my little. I'm not putting my boots on. That's it. I got my moving blanket, so I'll use that. There we go. I got my green cup set right there. I got my bowl set right here. I'm gonna move my stuff over there so it's out of the way. I like the tasty choice or whatever, but I also like these Kroger coffee too. Honestly, I can't even tell you what time it is because my phone's dead. So, and I got my fire spice shaker. I got salt and pepper in here, and then I got onion powder or garlic powder. I don't know. Ooh, I wish you guys can smell this. It smells good. I'm just making sure. bad. And I'm gonna set that up there. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Yeah, we'll say Stanley. That's cool. I think Stanley is doing a real good job for camping stuff here. I'll put the other guy's link down below the description. I can't think of his name right offhand, but he does a lot of the Stanley venture, Stanley stuff. Yeah, it's here. But yeah. Yeah, it's getting a little chilly in here. One thing I don't know about the connotation building up in here with the moisture and stuff. Yeah, so it is not a double wall tent. I'm just kind of curious about how well this would work. Cause they say 4 seasons, so that means all summer, fall, winter, and spring, or spring, summer, fall, winter. But here in Michigan, we get all 4 seasons anytime, any day throughout 365 days a year. I'm gonna set that off. Now I'm gonna put my coffee on there. Well, water. I just got water. Ooh, you can see it. Oh. Alrighty. I'm gonna get my bowl out. And I'm gonna scoop it. Oh, look like they did it. Not somebody did. But anyway, Mainland 121, or who I'm supposed to send this in here to join the Green Bowl Club. I'd like to join. I got some vegetable, chicken, noodle, stuff, so cheers, mate. That's good. The noodle's awesome. I can't really see my stuff because it's so steamy. I'll tell you one thing here, when the cold light is here and when you guys getting ready to go to bed and something, eat a hot warm meal, because that will warm you up, and then you'll go to bed warm, you won't be cold. I'm gonna finish this up And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm back, guys. I had to get the power bank, and that's here for my iPhone. It does not like the cold. I mean, literally, even if it's the temperature is like 30 degrees outside, and that's fine. But anything below 30 degrees Fahrenheit, the iPhone doesn't like the cold, and it drains the battery so quick and stuff here. So I don't know what I think it had to do with the construction with being outside being metal. But anyway, it's 11 degrees, and it feels like -2, and we got the wind. My inside tent area doesn't have any moisture trapped to or anything, but my rainfly does have some condensation in it, and I can see the little flecky frost on it. So I'll show you what I mean. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but yeah, it's all over, which is not too bad so far, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can buy me. I might have to order me one, but I don't know exactly when I'm going to be able to. I can't afford it. But I've been trying to look for it even at a secondhand store. I've been looking at the couple stores I have here in town. I want a single wall stainless steel bottle so I can have some boiled water in it too, and close it up, and then put it in my sleeping bag for extra warmth in the wintertime. So, but yeah, it's just about 9 o'clock. And it's very windy. I can see some snow on the outside. Cause I mean, I got yellow and red. I think it was just the wrong color. I mean, for it, but can't complain. The only thing I don't like about this here, that's at the bottom of the tent, the floor, it does not have like these other ones, like a tarp kind of thing here. So technically, it's not really waterproof floor. So I have a 6x8 tarp. It's an Ozark Trail tarp. Yeah, everything I have pretty much the Ozark Trail, except for my sleeping bag and clothes and stuff like that there. But yeah, I mean, I'm sleeping on an angle from one corner to another corner and stuff here. On each corner, there is a little mesh here where you can put your stuff in it or whatever. But I'm keeping my phone inside my sleeping bag with me to stay warm so it doesn't freeze. Well, I ain't even worried about freeze, but yeah, my dinner was pretty good. It's up here, so I'm very happy with it. I'm still figuring out what I'm gonna do for my cookware set. So I'm thinking I might deal with this pot I got for Christmas, my Stanley. I can't remember the name of it. You get 2 green bowls and stuff like that there. So I'm trying to figure out with that, and I have my Stanley Venture cup set. So I'm pretty happy with it. But I think I'm going to hit the hay, and when I get daylight, I'll show you the outside of the tent. I know you couldn't see very much at nighttime, but I thought about trying to set it up at night. Setting the tent up at night is difficult, and I'm pretty sure that with a lot of people will have that there. So, but I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Okay. It turned out pretty good, except for having some weight putting on it, so I had to straighten that up and get it spread out. But the only thing is it built up a condensation even with the ventilation going on. So
other than that, it's doing pretty good. Well, let me get this stuff packed up. Let me get out of here. Thanks for watching me. You have a good one. Be safe, be prepared, be alert, and be aware. Like I've always said. And get out and go camping. Have a good one. See ya.